Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way 3-minute series lesson 47a, in which we will take examples of second rule of Noon Sakina, which is to hide the sound of Noon Sakina. If Noon Sakina is followed by these letters, which are tongue tip letters, 9 of them, plus fa and some more, and if you put fa on the other side, then you have 15 letters where Noon Sakina has to be hidden. So if you have Noon Sakina, you hide it if you have any of the 15 letters coming after them. Let's take the examples now. Practice after me. We have seen the rules in the earlier lesson. So repeat after me. Untha, untha, anzir, anzir, yanzuru, yanzuru. Noon Sakina will be thick because dha is thick. Alright. Let's take the next set. Ta, da, ta. Repeat. Anta, anta, inda, inda, yantiqu, yantiqu. Ta is very thick and high, so Noon Sakina will be also high. Yantiqu. Alright? And don't keep your tongue hanging in between. Like anta, inda, yantiqu. No. Let's take the next set now. Za, sin, and sad. Repeat. Anzala, anzala. And it can be between two words like an sabili, an sabili. So keep your tongue ready to say sin, but don't touch it. An sabili. And do the gunna. We learned this earlier. Min siyamin, min siyamin. Sad is high, very thick and high, so Noon Sakina will be also very thick and high. Let's take the next three letters, Jim, Sheen, and Fa. Man ja'a, man ja'a, min shay'in, min shay'in, anfusuhum, anfusuhum. Dad, Kaf, and Qaf. وَمَنْ ضَلَّ, وَمَنْ ضَلَّ. Dad is very thick and high, so Noon Sakina also will be very thick and high. وَمَنْ ضَلَّ, like that. Next one. إِن كُنْتُمْ, إِن كُنْتُمْ. Alright. مِنْ قَرِيبٍ, مِنْ قَرِيبٍ. Qaf is thick and high, Noon Sakina also will be thick and high. Min qaribin. So if Noon Sakina is followed by throat letters, you will say it, express it, and if it is one of the 15, you will hide it. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.